What is up, all you good look? I'm not gonna actually sweat, don't worry. Guys, we can go to
Please.
Route 20. Wait, we can go to Route 22. We can get another
Oh, we
encounter.
can. Oh.
Yeah, we can get another
How do you
encounter,
get Route
guys.
22?
Ah!
From Santorin?
Very simple.
Ah.
You know where the gym is? Just go right of that. Like, so where the sorry, let me go to where the Poke Center is. Go up, up. You see the gym? Go right of that, and there's Route 22, like a little spot. We do have to fight a trainer, but nothing too terrible.
Let me get my
I did
Kabutops
actually
out
have
for-
to.
What level is that trainer?
I can go through it real quick.
I'm going through it too. Heatran?
What?
What level?
Mine has a Heatran. No.
That's crazy.
What level
Level
though?
6.
Oh, we're fine.
Oh.
2 months though. We're still at a point where Stabilite busted. Oh my god. I'll fix this lag one day.
Bruh, I can't believe we started a session only for me to immediately get jump scared by a trainer's Heatran.
Oh, I'm already at level 12 with one of my mons.
Okay.
I
You
one
need to
shot
put
it.
that in the PC or something.
We're the back.
Ye-
Put him in the back of the
Yeah.
party.
Yeah, well, it's my dugong, so I was like, I'm really good at it. Okay, oh wait, hold on. Guys, wait, get Pokeballs if you need any.
I'm still in the trainer battle. You
Oh.
go and hold on.
Oh, sorry. I apologize.
Oh, y'all lucked out with your first Pokemon.
I
in the
had a
battle.
Cobalion.
Oh, you had to fight a Cobalion?
Yeah, I had a Cobalion.
Oh, I had an easy battle this time.
Yeah, I just had a Croconaw that I accidentally set up rain for. So I forgot that my bitch was Drizzle.
For me, it's I had a Monferno, which I don't think could hit Loud Cataract, and a Pidgeotto, which can only hit Swift Gust, and Stand Attack. I'm gonna have to censor myself.
I like I'm not even like cursing. You are the one doing it now. Okay, let me swap
Hey.
Pokemon to.
Hey, we're at the 3-minute mark now.
Okay. Do you want me to wait until we?
You can now
do the encounter?
officially say fuck.
Are you guys okay with me checking my encounter?
Yeah, I'm able to check mine.
You right with
Give
that point?
me like a minute.
I mean, if you give me like a minute, I'll also be ready to go.
Okay, I can wait.
I'm debating on whether or not to heal.
I'm going to go heal. So it won't take long.
I don't. Before you. The comments would probably be mad at me for this, but I'm just gonna swap Loudcast right out of the front of my party. She's level 11 anyways.
I think my loud cry is only level 8.
Mine's level 7.
Yeah, this is what my team's
Okay.
level right now.
Let me heal. Drift, where are you gonna get a counter already?
I have negative FPS.
Driffa has to account for like 3 minutes into the future of how long these take.
Don't worry.
Just get the shiny for the encounter.
I would cry.
I realize I have to be family friendly for this channel, so I will never be
No, you
swearing
don't.
again.
No, you're allowed to swear. You're allowed to swear. We are not family friendly. We're very much PG-13. You just cannot swear within the first 3 minutes. It's been past 3 minutes.
Oh, okay.
Go.
Alright, we good?
It's encounter time.
Alright.
Oh, I got mine. It is Mega Latios.
Tornado.
Wait,
I'm
Two you got
fucked.
legendaries. Wait,
Oh, no
Okay.
way. I have Totodile out front. Fuck.
let's see what I got.
What does it learn? Hold on. Let me Google this.
Bagon.
That's
We can't
crazy.
use this. We can't use
What?
this pairing unless we get rid of our starter because Drift got a. Oh no, we're not doing that. Right. Never
Yeah.
mind.
Tornadus moveset. Give me 1 sec.
This-
Gen 9 moveset. It
Wait, I don't
has
think Mega Salamence.
it has a Gust, Astonish, and Leer. Okay, we're fine.
I don't think Mega Salamence was until
It's
Aura.
Oraz.
Shit.
It's Oraz. Hey, you still get Salamence around.
God, it
like,
has
50.
Dragon Dance. Oh, I'm so scared.
Tornadus. Oh wait,
Okay,
damage
it's
count.
just using Heal Pulse. I don't know if it has any damaging moves.
I can check for you. I'm gonna check for you.
Latios
Latios. Okay.
at level 7.
Latios at level 7.
I just caught my Bagon.
Yeah. Jesus Christ. Okay. It has Dragon Dance stored power and
No!
helping hand.
Please
Oh.
say do you have a dark type?
Yeah, maybe we need a. I don't. Do you have a dark type by chance, Polly?
Oh, it used Heal Block.
Wait, what? That's not even in its
What?
list.
What gen are you looking at?
Gen 9.
Huh.
Dragon Dance, Sword Power, Helping Hand. Where's Heal Block?
Does it have Heal Pulse on that list? Because it's also been using Heal Pulse a lot.
Heal Pulse is a level 50 move. Oh, is Mega Latios different?
Possibly?
Okay, I don't know if it has anything it can hit me with. But the thing is, like, I only have 13 Pokeballs.
I don't know if I can do this.
What's happening?
It just brought me down to half on my Totodile.
Not our starter.
I don't know if I can do this. I think I may have to switch to Kogongtar and risk a level up.
Risk level up.
I think I have to, because I'm worried it's gonna kill. Because it's in an uproar now.
Psywave! Ah, don't kill me!
Okay, cool. It's I'm gonna growl.
Am I the only one not in immediate danger with their encounter?
I already caught mine.
You don't count, folks.
Hold on. I
At
may
least
have
it's
to
Dragon Dancing.
give me a
Is
second.
Psywave the one that does, like, random damage?
Yeah.
I believe so.
Oh, fuck. I don't think this is gonna kill. Please don't kill. Oh, but it healed me. Thank you, Latios.
Oh yeah, it just
Don't kill.
heals
Don't
you.
kill. Oh, I killed it.
Oh well,
Bye.
never mind.
Wait, does that?
Yeah, it doesn't
Yeah.
matter.
That's a dead encounter.
You know what?
Fuck, I can't
Aw,
use this
man.
Bagon.
Damn it.
Rotary the pain in the ass to catch.
Oh,
No,
I have a
get out
Dustox
anyway.
now. Loud Scry.
Tragedy has struck.
They're
died?
evolving. Oh, but maybe they'll have like a
We
good
had
ability.
2 legends. Fuck.
It was
Yeah,
statistically
I'm
not
sorry.
likely for you to
I
catch
also
it.
I couldn't catch it.
I had a Dugong. I was like, yes, I can get something other than a Dugong, and I can level it up. Fuck.
Loud
Oh, I guess I
Scry
have
learn
got the Bagon in my
confusion.
dead box.
Yay. Loud Scry. You have an item? What item do you have? You had an Eviolite. Okay.
Okay, my Bagon didn't have an item.
No,
It
you
had
still have
symbiosis.
Moody.
That would have been useless. Good thing I didn't get to keep this Bagon. Okay.
Okay. So Route 22 was a bust. Should we go
Oh,
to
well.
the gym now so that Blake doesn't completely overlevel?
Yeah, I may need to
I'm not
personally
even gonna
because
bother with realming top.
Link tops.
that.
When
Yeah,
do we
'cause-
get the XP share?
Can
literally
we?
after the first gym.
Are we boxing from the top for this gym? Or are we?
Are we?
using
It's up to you.
Are we?
Are we doing
From
that
link
rule?
drops?
Wait, what were we doing?
Why are we doing that?
I don't know. Just mainly because I don't see any point in having it on the team besides for Jeff Conrad. Very fact. But Poke's the only
I
one
like
with.
the from
Wait,
link
we have
drops.
another counter.
Where?
Where?
No, wait, not yet. We're blocked.
Yeah, no, she's gonna stop us because we don't have the gym badge.
I want to level up a little bit more on some of these Pokemon.
I'm
I'm
not
level 10, level 10, level 11, and level 9. I don't think I can afford to level up anymore. Blake, what level are your Pokemon?
Level 12, level 10, level 7, and level
I
5.
forgot about the mandatory battle before the jam.
Shit. I'll do it too. Gent Sonia with her Gafita.
Soul Rock.
Okay. Oh, Gafita's airlock. Great. I'm actually gonna send in Todorotic.
I can't use my Kogongtar until fucking the
Yeah.
what do you call it?
The
Oh,
gym, because you'll overlevel.
yeah. So
Oh.
fuck, I have to use Totodile. Oh, do I have to
Alright.
level? Should I level up my guys first before doing this?
Yeah.
Probably.
Well, okay, this is gonna be painful.
My trainer just sent out a Drapion.
Where are you? Oh, you're doing the mandatory fight before the gym. Okay.
Yeah. Good thing my Loudred knows Uproar.
This guy's scary. This guy scared me every battle. What did you just
Oh.
encounter?
Okay,
You had
what does Zygarde have? Hold on, let me Google this.
Like, I just heard a big boy cry and like, what the fuck did you just encounter?
Oh
No, it's
my-
a Zygarde!
Oh no! It learns at level 1 1,000 arrows and 1,000 waves.
Get out
fuck.
of there. Get out of there.
Run. Run.
Oh my god.
Okay, good
Really,
thing you didn't have to attempt to encounter catch Zygarde. Starmie, ooh.
Okay, cool.
Hey, the run's still alive. That's the good thing.
It has recover.
Yeah, that sounds about right.
Not risking that.
I need to set up controls for the roller skates. I didn't do that yet.
Yeah, all my guys are level 10 or 11.
Oh my god.
Are you still in the battle with the Zygarde?
No, I'm fighting a drowsy. He keeps hitting hypnosis. It's so annoying. There we go. Killed it. Still level 7. so I don't get too underleveled. Groddle. I got play nice. Great. It's so useful as a move.
Yeah, how's that gonna?
Low Z targets attack stat. I have tackle and fairy wind for my guy.
Now, like, roller skates are good. Oh, wait, no, that would actually sped me up. Okay, that helps. I'm now playing
Oh, for fuck's sake! It's airlock! It's an airlock side guard!
That's so dumb.
I feel like you could take out a level 3 Zygarde with your Swirlix.
I mean, you want me to
No.
test it?
No!
I mean, you have a fairy type move. It should be super effective.
Consider the following. It's a Zygarde.
It's a level 3 Zygarde.
You know what? If you really want me to test it, I'll do it right now.
If it dies, if
it dies, I'll take the fall for it.
And I will fight
like,
you on that one.
I am 1000% positive that. Matter of fact, hold on. Fairy wind.
I think I'll be fine.
Click the button.
It did not
Oh,
one
that's
shot.
bite.
It used bite.
Alright, cool.
Okay.
Like, you can take out the Zygardes with your fairy type.
Not that!
Definitely not poison type.
Yeah, no.
Oh, do you
Jesus,
guys
we
like
said not a poison type?
fuck. No. Not doing that. We're not doing that. No. Fuck off. Really?
Dang,
I
you sent
don't
that dude
have the
going
poison.
out just for it to get paralyzed.
That's fine. It can get licked. That sounds bad out of context. Wait. I said what I can said.
I genuinely am
Oh, wow,
terrified
that did-
every time.
That did absolutely nothing. I just realized that was like 1,000. That was both those, and it did 0
That
damage.
Zygarde weak as fuck.
It's level 3.
It's level 3!
It's still weak as fuck.
Oh, right. I'm using my controller. Where did my controller go? There's my Charizard controller.
You have
A
a
level
Charizard
3
controller?
Zygarde has like 20 HP.
Wait, have I never sent you guys the image of what my controller looks like?
Oh, you never have.
I'm sending it, editing, drift. Also, put it
I'm
up.
saying.
Then once you're level 10, it's a guaranteed OHKO forever.
Well, I'm not gonna do it past level 10. Do I level up Fromling Kinks?
Up to you.
Do I have an image of the Charizard controller on my phone?
What do I even have for this guy for moves? You know what? No, we're not gonna deal. That's gonna be tough to even get anything going with that.
Yeah, just wait till you get the XP share.
Yeah. Who do I start with? I guess I start with Totodile up front.
Yeah, well, because you have some mandatory battles to do first.
Yeah.
So, not Kogongtar.
Vanillix.
Oh, I mean that should be.
You terrify me.
I was like, unless it has freeze dry.
Or
Oh,
that.
it has uproar.
Ow.
It's a roll for a crit.
Wow.
Actually, no. It should be fine even if it crits.
Famous last words.
Oh,
You would not
fuck.
have been fine if it crit. Swatch to Frelmink Tops. He
Now
resists
die.
it.
Now.
He did not die. Well,
You
don't
guys.
attack with him.
It should be fine. The Vanillix is low.
But it's Vice Grip, and he has a
Outsmarted.
minus. Oh,
Critical hit.
okay.
Crit.
Well,
There's the crit y'all were talking about.
Easy
and
XP.
there's
Oh
all the
my.
grinding for Frelmink Tops.
Oh, my total road
This is level 12. Okay. That's
That was
wild.
horrifying. Viewers, you did not see it, but like, what?
I gained so much XP, and then my total project almost went to 30. How much XP is left on him?
Let's see.
220,
Fine.
390.
Check,
Fine.
check, yapping.
Yeah, cool controller.
Alright, are we going inside now?
I am.
I already have, but I haven't actually gone down the.
I think I have to
hole.
swap. I think I have to swap now. Because I'm scared these guys will level up.
Yeah. You'll have to.
This is horrifying.
Okay.
Are we sure it's level 12?
Yes. Hold on.
Okay.
I'm on the web.
20.
Tell me when you guys are also on the web.
I'm on the web.
I'm on the web.
I'm on the
Yeah,
web.
it is level 12.
I just.
So, do we know the like where we're supposed to go?
I already went to the battle. So yep.
With
Drifter,
Viola?
you're going the right way. Well, not with Viola, just the first battle in the gym.
Oh, fuck
Okay,
off.
but-
There's Diggersby.
But like, what
I'm
are the
gonna cast Storm.
required battles? Because we shouldn't
I
do
think-
the non-mandatory.
I think they're all required.
Fuck, what does it have? Oh, no. Oh, fuck.
This thing's probably gonna attack me, so bide time. Good thing I have thick fat. This cast form just use Ember.
I don't think I can. Oh, no. I'm screwed.
Ow.
There's only one required gym trainer, and it's the girl.
That guy wasn't
Oh.
required?
This guy
No.
isn't required?
Oh, this
No,
isn't
I'm
required.
staring at Viola. Okay. What does a level 10 Diggersby have?
I'm checking. The move it has is Mud Slap. I'm checking real quick. It won't kill me. Let me just real quickly look up how much Vice Grip will do.
Not much if you have a minus attack nature
Oh,
and you're lower level.
Yeah, that's
Oh.
true.
I can't use my Loudred until the gym
Do
fight.
I swap over to you?
What Pokemon was Loudred?
Loudcasterai. It didn't die, it just leveled up to 12.
Yo,
Until the gym leader. Okay.
Holly,
Yeah.
what do I do? Do I swap to Swirlix maybe?
Yeah, I would go Loudcasrai.
Oh.
would just fairy wind and see if you can see how much it does. Well, that's
We're
not
fucked.
good. You
I
might
think
just
you need
have
risk
to.
not being able to use one of the bonds for the
I
leader.
would swap to
Just risk it. Just
toe to dial.
yeah. Risk not being able to use
If he
the bond.
overlevels, he overlevels.
Are we sure it's
Better than a
13 second?
death.
12 second?
It's 12. I'm positive. I checked.
Okay, but he's lowered my defense twice now.
You'll be fine. Just water gun.
Yeah, I've leveled up.
You're fine.
Okay.
It's fine.
So,
you just can't use a total
yeah.
dial for the gym.
Are we allowed to use toe to dial?
Yeah, you're
Or
allowed.
like our Totorotic? Okay.
Oh, great! I got Thundershock. That's gonna be you. That would have been useless. Okay, cool.
Okay, yeah. Just follow the bubbles, and you only have to fight that girl. Like, you completely ignore that guy. Yeah.
Let
I
me.
love.
Let me. Do I?
I'm
I'll
healing
keep. I'll
first.
keep this guy out.
I'm healing
Time
before
to
I head
fight
back
this
down.
girl.
My required fight before Viola was a cakewalk, skiddy and skiddo.
Infernape!
Damn.
Against my Dustox. So utterly excited. Okay, Frelmink Tops, I need you to get out here, baby boy. Not loving that Leer, but
What does charge do
What?
exactly? I forgot.
Raises your special defense.
And if they use an electric type move, I believe it's like kaboom. More damage.
Okay, Infernape's dead. I'm gonna get so much experience from this though.
I feel like the viewers probably think I'm playing it too safe. But also like, is there such thing as too safe on this?
Hoopa!
Nah, we're fine.
Hoopa!
And oh my god, my Framing Tops also leveled up to 13. Oh, come on.
Blake is not having a good time.
No, that's not funny. Oh, I'm so screwed. Oh
What the
no.
fuck is this Hoopa gonna have? I also don't know if it's unbound or confined.
Okay, well. So
Okay,
this
it
is
might only have Astonish and Confusion.
okay.
Okay,
So I
it's
can only use Kogongtar and Loudra Scry. That's all I can use.
How the fuck do I get over there?
I don't even know what
Okay.
to use against this. Why is Totorotic not at full HP? Kogongtar. Going in there, buddy. I take neutral from...
I'm
Okay,
finally
it's bound
doing the
Hoopa.
require battle before
Wait, Hoopa's a ghost
terrified.
type. That was... Why do you have Hyperspace Hole? You were not supposed to have Hyperspace Hole. Oh my god.
Is something dead?
No.
No. No. Not yet.
Please.
Who are we the least attached to?
For me, Frelming top, but
Let's see how much this does. Absolutely nothing. That is so exciting. This Hoopa is destroying my life. Should have gone to Totorotic first. Set up the rain so I at least do extra damage. Please don't. Oh. Ah! Totorotic's dead.
damn it!
can't fight with Gugong Tar. You can't.
Wait, what do you mean?
That dice I have nothing for this gym.
Okay, the
Hold
hook
on.
was throwing by going for Astonish. I just need 2 more turns.
Oh my god. Yeesh.
I outspeed.
Oh. At least I couldn't use it anyway in this gym.
Who made the joke? Who made the joke last time about us
From tops
killing-
overleveled. Oh, bite would have been really fucking helpful from ink tops.
What's this about over leveling?
From ink tops overleveled. And
I'm
oh my god, Kogong Tar didn't. Oh, God bless.
Okay. Are we guys
So
ready for
this-
the gym?
No, I
I
need
need
to
to
go heal.
box my mon.
Well, yeah, I need to box my...
How do you even get out?
You just go back the same way you came. Just careful not to run into any trainers.
For me, it's only one, but like,
Uh,
I am so
So
glad
far-
I didn't level that much beforehand. I'm already cutting it close to begin with.
Oh no.
What?
Polly
I'm
I'm
ran
fighting
into
the
a
other little
trainer.
boy.
Oh no.
Oh.
And my Pokemon are pretty low.
Oh,
Okay, he
thank
only has a
God.
Peony. He only has a Peony. Never mind. We're good. We're fine. We're fine. It's okay. Loud Kaskrai will destroy it.
So
The
far
only
this
issue
session
is
we've
levels.
lost.
That was a
Oh.
crit.
It's
Oh,
happening.
God.
What are you expecting?
I know.
How do you get out? Because I'm at the center again.
You just click on the thingy.
So far this session we've lost both our Route 22 encounter and our starter dat. Ugh.
That
I'm
hurt.
pressing. What? I am pressing
Please,
on it. I don't see
please,
it.
Happini. No, I don't like that Happini.
What did
Ow.
It's right in front of you,
Okay,
Blake.
it only did 6 damage. That's fine, and that was a crit.
What did it use?
Okay, my attack was sharply copycat.
Oh.
So it copied confusion, but it's Happini, so.
At least I didn't kill anything this time.
And the crit was 6 HP, so. Okay, my speed rose. Special attack fell. Jesus fucking Christ, Loud Scry.
I thought I would have killed something by now. No, I haven't, which is weird. This isn't normal. I usually get at least one mon killed. What?
My attack rose. My accuracy fell. Ooh. I missed with a confusion. Brother, I didn't even attack. How are you copying confusion when I didn't even attack? Can I get a special attack? Yeah.
Hit yourself? Yay.
Okay, my special defense went up.
That's good.
Okay, I did it. Please don't give me a lot of experience. That's a lot of experience. Ooh, okay.
Hey, I think you're good. You should be safe. Hey.
Well.
Let me this horrendous plate. Wait, actually,
Oh.
how do you leave?
Hey!
Right in front of you.
I'm
Just walk
pressing
forward.
A.
One more.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Well, I already healed up and everything. So I can't do basically anything else.
Okay. Oh, total rotic.
Damn. We really did lose Todoroki, didn't we?
I mean,
I'm in
nothing
front
of
of the
value
gym
was
leader.
particularly lost for me because it was a Firo.
Yeah, I lost
For
my
me,
Totodile, but
I lost my bear tick.
Yeah, very sorry about
that
that.
was our starter, so.
Well, but Drift, I made you get rid of your Carnivine. You hate Carnivine. You're welcome.
Alright, we going
The
to
next-
the
okay, I don't
gym
have
leader?
to worry about somehow managing to overlevel for the next gym. Because it's 25
Yeah,
for some
It's
reason.
25. Yeah,
Alright,
Grant is
I'm gonna
very far.
I'm gonna start the next I'm gonna start the gym leader battle. Are we good?
Yep, I'm just walking back now.
I'm starting my battle too.
Magikarp! Oh my god, thank you!
Bro, I'm probably gonna get Arceus now. Says versus Viola, challenged by female swimmer Landon. Abomasnow.
Aggron is my neck.
Didn't heal my Pokemon.
Abomasnow. Oh
Holy
god.
fuck. I am so glad that I checked. I did not heal my Pokemon.
No. Mega Aggron.
So
What
we're
the
all suffering.
Hold on. Let me Google.
I haven't even gotten to. I haven't even challenged Viola. What the fuck?
Drift, I need to go back and heal my bitches. Cause I
I'm-
forgot.
Why am I the one suffering due to your guys' action?
I have no idea what you just said.
Yeah, I don't know what you've been saying. I'm gonna be honest.
I didn't do anything wrong.
You haven't. We haven't said that.
I'm dealing with the consequences of your guys' action.
Welcome to a Soul Link, Drift.
Yeah.
That's the whole point.
Is that a... Oh,
Another
Pidgeot.
Pidgeot.
Not
That's a
a Pidgey, Blake.
Oh my god. Oh, I'm so fucked.
What does it have?
It's just I can do barely any damage to it.
That's
knows
12
tackle.
damage. That's 12 damage. Oh god. I don't like that.
That was a critical hit. Okay. Mud slap. Okay, that's worrying. And it. Oh no. Oh no. It missed twice. Okay, I have to swap. I have to swap. I have to swap. Are you fucking kidding me?
Wait, stop. Don't do anything else. Don't do anything else. Everyone get into the battle. So that you can use all your Pokemon. Is everyone in the battle?
I stole the life orb.
Wait, that might not be good.
Okay. Fan Kimberly. Drift, are you in the battle?
Yeah.
Okay. Then
I am.
feel like
I
you're
am.
good to go.
I am so fucked.
Gulpin! Oh
What
god,
did
and they
I-
have 3 Pokemon.
Tyranitar, please get a crit. Oh, you know Powder Snow.
Oh
My
no.
speed rose, my special defense
Oh,
fell.
I defeated
That's
Mega
lucky.
Abomasnow. Okay, Kogongtar just hit level 12. Am I still able to use it, or...?
Please, please, please. You gotta be
Yes.
kidding me.
If you're
Use
in
the.
if you're in the gym fight, the level cap goes away. So
Oh
like
my
you could
god, I
level up
hate
to
this game.
13
I
during the
hate
gym
this.
leader
I
fight.
hate this. It just has a
Okay.
potion.
Oh, she potioned?
She potioned.
Yeah, that
Oh.
happens with me.
No!
Who was that?
That was terrifying!
And Kogongtar's dead. Great.
Kog-
Okay. It's dead. What could I do? What can I fucking do? Tell me that much.
That's
I
it,
think
then.
this is a wipe.
Nope, kill that Agron.
Now it's just low Casterai and Frolmink tops, right?
Well, I mean, we're in
Whoa,
battle,
why
so.
does this licky licky no power whip?
We wipe. I think I wipe.
I have Flygons in that last one. Okay.
There's too many normal
And I
types.
got one shot. We lost.
And loud Catherine.
No?
We wipe.
Oh, you gotta be. My loud Casterai is stuck in uproar.
Sonic Boom. I mean, it doesn't matter.
Wait,
I
have
got Sonic
we?
Boom.
Did we wipe?
Yeah,
Damn.
I can't do anything.
Yeah, cause if I send out from Mink Top, it's a wipe. It's a full
And it
wipe.
just one-shot me. Great. Just has Moody and
Yeah.
it keeps boosting attack.
Well,
That's on
Yep,
a
I lost.
randomization board.
What could I do? I had a Maker aggro and I tried to play perfectly.
And this is gonna be fun. Ugh. Let's continue another day.
Hey.
We need a break.